Welcome back. It's Lorraine with Wireman's Whimsy, and we are going to do project number 3 in the Exploring in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit for May 2023. So let's get started. I've got my Moody Mauve banner, I've got my greeting banner, I've got my little compass, and I've got 14 inches of the linen thread, and I have already given it a couple of pulls just to straighten it out. I've got my greeting, and I'm going to pull this down so that it's in the center. I'm going to ink up my stamp, and I'm going to stamp away just to make sure that I've got a good coverage there. And this one looks pretty good too. So this stamp set, the stamps have been pretty clean. So we're going to stamp that down. It doesn't matter where you're going, it's who you have beside you. So we're just going to pop that in like that. Pop that off like that. And then what do we need to do next? We need to take our Moody Mauve and we need to put the adhesive dots down. Now, in the last video, I figured out what my problem with the dots was this time, and it's that I was picking them up with my thumb and finger instead of with my fingernail. So there we go, just sliding my fingernail underneath and dropping it down. Now, I just need to peel all the backs off those, again, using that trusty fingernail. And as usual, I'm only using elements from the kit. So the only thing I'm bringing in that's not in the kit is a pair of scissors, but normally I would use my pick tool or my piercing tool to do this, to do the dots. Okay, so I am putting this banner down right here, like this, and I'm a little bit too far over, so I'm just going to pop this up. I need to be in the middle, right there. Okay. Oop. Can't help myself for trying. There we go. Okay, now I need to put dimensionals on the back of this, and they're telling me to put a dimensional here, one in the middle, and one here. We're going to peel those off, and then we're going to take our linen thread and we're going to loop it. So I'm just going to start it on one end there and just loop it round. Bringing in another loop, there we go, and just keep looping. You'll see it flipping around because I'm twisting it to make sure it loops nicely. And then we're going to do another one there, and then we're going to finish off sticking that end down just back into the dimensional there. Okay, and then we take this whole shebang and we center it on the banner. So there we go, just like that. Doesn't matter where you're going, it's who you have beside you. And then we're going to take our compass and we're going to dimensionalize it. And this pops in, and I was going to put it in angle, but let's put it in due north. So we'll just pop it down like that. And that is project number 3 in the May 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for those alternates. I've got all kinds of ideas in my head and I can't wait to show you what they are.